cookies are good. Not great, but good. However, the Alcove only accepts great. So Vanessa, it is time for you and your partner to die.
Please, no, please. No! I'll do better. Please.
The Alcove doesn't make exceptions, sweetheart. Why should I let you off the hook?
Because if you don't, you will miss out on the best goddamn cookie you'll ever eat.
I'm looking forward to it.
Shit.
The Alcove. LA's most exclusive bakery has the most badass bakers on the West Coast. The training is brutal, and their selection is cutthroat. They use only the finest ingredients to bake their sweets, the most sought after being their oatmeal raisin cookie. This cookie gives anyone who eats it the following boosts: honey for reflexes, ginger for vitality, organic flour for strength, and the finest sun-dried raisins you'll ever lay your eyes on. To apply, you must be willing to put your life on the line, because if you don't make it, the only alternative is death.
So Vanessa, it is time for you and your partner to die.
Please, no, please. Please! No!
Hey there, darling. How are ya? It's been over a year. You got my cookie?
Yes.
Well, sorry to say, rules have changed since last time. Not only do you have to give me a damn good cookie, but you also gotta fight to get in.
I'm here to bake cookies. I don't know how to fight.
I don't make the rules, sister. I just enforce them. Here we go. Oatmeal raisin, huh? The most underrated and hated of all cookies. Yet, also the most challenging, you know? See, there's a tender balance between creating a resistant crunch during the initial bite, while also keeping a soft and chewy inside that holds the raisins in place. Pwah. Alcove, Wednesday, 6 a.m. Be there.